Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to show all your pins on Pinterest using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make sure every pin you've saved is visible on your profile. Whether you want to showcase your creativity, organize your boards, or just keep things tidy, this updated guide is for you. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be using. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where all your pins, boards, and ideas are stored. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top of the screen and give it a tap. This will open up more options related to your account settings and profile details. Now, you'll see a button labeled View Profile. Tap on that, and then select Edit Profile. This is where you can customize how your Pinterest profile looks to others and manage your privacy settings. Scroll down through the Edit Profile options until you find the setting labeled Show All Pins. There will be a toggle switch next to it. If it's turned off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. This will make all of your pins visible on your profile, allowing anyone who visits your page to see everything you've saved. And that's it. You've now updated your Pinterest settings to show all your pins directly from your mobile device. It's a quick and easy way to make your profile more open and engaging for your followers. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Pinterest tips. See you in the next video.